Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2012 government pass question. Question number 22. Question number 22 here says, which of the following is used in gauging public opinion? Which of the following is used in gauging public opinion? I want to talk of public opinion. Public opinion is the opinion contribution of the citizens on government policies or issues raised by government for contribution. So option A say constitution, B say educational institution, C say mass media, D say electoral college. What is used in gauging public opinion is mass communication. It could be TV, it could be radio, it could be newspaper. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.